Good morning children. Welcome to the maths class. See, I hope all are you doing well. Have you done yesterday's homework everyone? Do homework and practice maths regularly. So before going to start the class, today we are going to learn two tables. Okay? So do you remember the tables? Yes, good. So read. Okay? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So daily you should read tables. Early morning when you wake up after your breakfast, please read the tables at least once in a day. One time you read, that is enough. Okay children? So now let's discuss the topic. See, we are in the chapter 1. So that is, chapter name is numbers up to 100. Numbers up to 100. Okay children? So what is the next bit in your textbook? We have started the textbook, right? So we discussed in earlier class, we discussed the number names and place values, definitions of place value, face value and expanded form. Do you remember the expanded form? So that based on that expanded form only we are going to do this next bit. So what is the expanded form? Yes, we write the number in terms of tens and ones. See, these are 2-digit numbers, right? These 2-digit numbers, they need 2 places. So what are those places? Tens place and ones place. Okay? Everyone should know what is place value, what is face value and expanded form. Okay children? So here you have 17. Okay, first one is already done for you in your textbook. So 17, how it is written? 17. In 17 you have 110 and 7 ones. So it is a expanded form. So 10 plus 7. It is written as 10 plus 7. So 10 plus 7 means what? How to spell this 17? It is 17. Okay, most of the children you have confusion in 70 and 17. So 17 is 17, 70 is 70. Okay. So 17, this is 17. Then how to spell 17? Yes, SEVENTEN, 17. Where is that spelling? Where is 17? Yes, here it is. SEVENTEN, 17. So you should match this with number name. Okay, first you should find the expanded form, then you should match with the correct number name. Okay, so next what you have after 17, you have 75. This is how to spell this 75. 75, 70 and 5. So in this 75 you have 7 tens and 5 ones. So 7 10 is written as 70 and 5 ones written as 5. So 75. Where is that 75 number name? Yes, it is in starting only. First only you have 75. Read it again. SEVENTY, 75. FIVE, 5. 75. Okay. So you should match this 75 with the number name. Okay. So next number is what? 89. How to read this 89? 89. Correct. 89, 89. So in this 89, how many tens we have? 8 tens. So 8 tens are written as 80 and 9 ones are written as 9. 9 ones are 9. So 80 plus 9. So this is the expanded form. Now where is the number name? How to spell 89? EIGHTY 80 and NINE 9. 89. So you should match with the number name 89. So in order to do this bit, what you should know? You should know the expanded form and also the number names up to 100. Okay children. So next, what is the next number? 90. 90 means, is it 9 or 90? Yes, this is 90. Why? 9 is at 10th place. So 9 is at 10th place. When you find the expanded form, so what you will get? 9 tens are 90. So 90 you have and 0 ones you have. So 90. So 90 number name. What is 90 number name? How to spell it is? NINETY 90. NINETY 90. So match with the number name 90. Where it is? Here it is. NINETY 90. So next, what is the last number? Next number what you have? 29. 29. 29. Right. So how to spell this? 29. 29. How to read? 29. And in this 29, how many tens you have? 2 tens. So 2 tens are 20 plus 9 ones you have. Okay. So 2 tens 20 plus 9. So this is 29. Then how to spell this 29? TWENTY 20 and NINE 9. So where it is? Yes, here it is. So match with the number name. See, first you should find the expanded form of given numbers and then you should match with the number name. Okay children? See, 17 means 110 plus 7 ones, 17. Next, 75. Here you have 7 tens and 5 ones. So 75. Next, here you have 89. In this 89 you have 8 tens, 9 ones. So 80 plus 9. 89. Match with the number name 89. And next 90, 90. This is not 9. This is 90. Why? 9 is at 10th place. So 9 tens are 90. 90, 90. And match with the number name 90. Next what you have? 29. So 20 plus 9. Here you have 2 tens and 9 ones. Match with the number name also. So I hope all of you understood this expanded form. Very easy. If you know the concept of place values, you can write very easily. Okay. Okay. Separate in terms of place values and then match with the number name. I hope all of you understood this. So write down the today's homework. So what is the homework for today? So I am going to give the number names. Okay. So write the number names. Homework for today. Write the number names. Number names 1 to 20. ONE 1 to TWENTY 20. Okay. Only one time is enough. Read and write this number names. Okay children. So read and write the homework. Read and write the number names 1 to 20. Okay. I hope all of you understood this. See, please practice at home and read these number names. Also read the tables. At least one table in a day you read. Okay. Okay children. Stay home. Stay safe.